So after DK Shivakumar was issued this ultimatum by the Delhi Police Economic Offences Wing today, DK Shivakumar's alleged harassment by the agencies. He has said that everything is in black and white. There was no need for the police to register a case. We will take this case up and fight it in the court of law. This is harassment. It is our money. We can give it to anyone who may like it when we pay taxes. So this is what DK Shivakumar has said in response to this registering of case against him by the Delhi Police Economic Offences Wing today. Let's take a look.
See, it is very shocking to me. I had given all the details to the ED. ED had summoned me and my brother also. We had given all the notice. There is nothing wrong. It is our institution. And we, being a congressman, we have supported the institution also, number one. Number two, from the whatever is there, we have supported. There is nothing hide and seek. All is on black and white. Nothing. But I don't know why, after the ED also has filed a charge sheet, there was no need of the police to register a case. So we will take up this case. We will fight in the court of law. It is only the harassment. What is there? It is our money. We can give to anyone whom we like.
Afreen, that's the version that's coming in from DK Shivakumar. He claims harassment by Delhi Police's Economic Offences Wing, says the charge sheet was already filed by the ED. What was the need to register a case by the Delhi Police?
Well, absolutely, Griha. Now, the Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar has come out and said that this is pure harassment, and he said that there is. He's always been transparent. He's provided everything, all the details asked by the ED. But despite that, both him and his brother DK Suresh have been summoned by the Economic Offences Wing. He says that everything is black and white. It's his money, it's his funds, and there is clarity about everything. Despite that, the Economic Offences Wing has summoned him and his brother, and he says that he's going to fight it out. Now, the Economic Offences Wing has asked him to clarify if he knew what what is going to happen to the funds that he has given. He's also been asked to provide financial and transactional details, political affiliations, his connections with the Congress, a lot more details to be provided to the ED by DK Shivakumar and his brother by December 19. That is what we are learning. This comes after an FIR was registered against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, both in the National Herald case. DK Shivakumar had earlier also said that there is a limit to which both Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi can be harassed, and this is beyond that. And now he's saying that this particular harassment that he's talking about has also landed his doorstep. The ED and the Economic Offences Wing both filing a charge sheet against him, which is absolutely unnecessary according to him. And he says that at the end he's going to fight it out, and he's not going to back down, of course.
Right. Afreen, thank you so much for all of those details. And with that, we go into a very short break here on CNN News 18.